going on? But spent all day in the shop working on the 3rd gen Dodge. Blew the turbo up on it, or more like it was going out, so we went ahead and we pulled it out. So that's why I look like I've been bathing in soot. We're out here cutting a little bit of ground to top the day off in the old Magnum. Guys, go back that way. Come on. Go back that way. Come on. Come on. Come on. No, don't go under there. Don't go under there, guys. Come on. Throw that one out there and say that no baby birds were hurt during the making of this film. So, I want to see if this one's dry enough. It looked dry enough from the road, but yeah, here in the middle there's a few areas it's a little questionable. Overall, it's not cutting too bad, honestly.